Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Lorre Wilson, and together we'll discover, connect, and bring light to our tri-state communities in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky in Selling Appalachia. It's not just the home you live in, it's the community. Let's see what the American Dream looks like in Barboursville, West Virginia. One of the most popular areas to live in Cabell County, West Virginia is my hometown, the village of Barboursville. Growing up here was like the all-American dream. Friday night high school football, Saturday morning baseball, walking to school every single day, bike riding through the town, all while this village grew to the beautiful place it is now. Chris, it's so good to be in Barboursville with you today. We both grew up here. Hometown people.
Yeah.
You started off in sports.
I did. I played
merged
sports
over
here.
to be on council in Barboursville.
Yep.
And then became the mayor.
You know, the funny thing is, I ran for council when I was 18.
18.
And I lost by 30 votes to an incumbent. And I knew at a young age, I just like, this is the town I grew up in. And even at a young age, I was like, there's stuff for kids that we need. And we now have a sports complex. We now have a skate park. We have a spray park. The big park has been developed. So that all started under former mayors, but we've been able to do so much in the last 8 years.
Push it forward.
Yeah, and I think everyone who was my predecessor had the best in mind for Barboursville. But now we're really on that tipping point of having this explosion. It's an anomaly here. Like, they're still coming. They're still developing. They're still seeing this as a great place to do business. We were on these grounds looking across at this when we were in junior high school right here, right?
Right.
Look at what they've done across the street. You have local people.
The local people, that's what I love.
These are guys that I went to school with, that I coached in baseball, and they're putting their money back right here because they want cool places for them to hang out, cool places for their family to hang out, and fun stuff for their kids to do.
Sure.
They're redoing that entire facade, and somebody said, you know, the scaffolds are out there and it looks like New York City. There's a tunnel to walk through and scaffolding. You know, you have Jason Beater, who started out with Oscars in a very small venue, now has 3 businesses, and it's going to be 4 here shortly with Kerber Beer Company. Yeah. And 2 girls that were bartenders early in their career have opened a bookshop. They call themselves book tenders. Yeah. I mean, I just want people to have something to do.
West Pea Ridge is just in between Huntington and Barboursville, and it has decades and decades of rich history and great economy. So let's take a look at 302 Wood Lomond Way right here on West Pea Ridge. Step inside to discover a warm and inviting living space, complete with a crackling fireplace that serves as the heart of the home. This delightful home boasts 3 cozy bedrooms and 2.5 well-appointed baths. The property is surrounded by lush woodlands, offering a private and tranquil setting. This residence is not just a house, but it's a place to create lasting memories. Bringing you the best of our tri-state in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Lorre Wilson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time right here, sharing the American Dream.